Hi, my name is Salam Adeni. My people call me Juice. I'm going to be your instructor in the Python course. In this tutorial, you are going to learn everything you need to get started programming in Python using your Android phone. Python is one of the most popular programming language, and everyday people use it to do good things like automation. They use it in AI as well as building application and websites like Instagram, Dropbox, Spotify, Uber, and so on. So if you're looking for a job, Python is best for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you everything you need to get started with the Python using your smartphone. I will design this Python course for anyone who wants to learn Python. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I will hold your hand through the topic of my YouTube channel. Or in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install Python on your Android phone right now. Before, you're not too old or too young, and Python is very easy to grab. You can write your first program in some minutes. But for bonus for this course, I'm going to give you plenty of exercise to help you build your confidence writing cool Python program using your Android phone. So I hope you stick to my channel. So I hope you stick to my channel and click the notification bell and hit the subscribe button to learn for the next tutorial. So now I'm going to show you how to get Python for your phone. Let's head to the Play Store. I already search for when you reach the Play Store, search for PyDroid. PyDroid 3. Yeah, this is the PyDroid 3 ID for Python 3. I already download it. Just download your own and install it. So now that we're through with the installation, let us go and write our first Python program. Hmm. This is this is how the Python 3 looks like. You see everything. See, this is how it looks like. You can go to setting, do whatever you want it. Do whatever you want. You can create new project here. Open existing project. You can save your project here. Now, yeah, let's write our first program. Print, print. I'm looking for parentheses. This is parentheses. No, print quotation. Print hello world. Hello world. So this is your first Python program. With the piece of code, you can also print your name on the screen. Now to run this program, you can click the play button at the bottom of the screen. So let's try our program by clicking the display button. No, you see hello world. You see hello world at the top. That's the result of our output. You can see our result for output for our program. In the future, as you learn more Python, you will be able to build applications that have a graphical user interface or GUI. Although that's a little bit complicated, so for now we are going to use the terminal window to see the result of our program. As you can see, this is our terminal window where we see the output of our program. Now, if you didn't see the results I show you in this video, use the comment box below. Tell me what error you encounter I will do my best to help you move forward. So let's look at how code gets executed. Let's look at how code gets executed. We are going to take this program to the next level and make it more interesting. I'm going to show you how Python gets executed, and you will also learn about a few programming terms. Python code, Python code gets executed line by line from the top. I think I told you earlier about Python interpreter. That is a program that know how to translate or interpret a Python code into instruction that a computer can understand. So where we run the program by clicking play button, this play button, Python interpreter starts executing or running our program line by line from the top. So that's how Python program executed program. So let's let's write another program. So let me show you how Python gets executed. I'm looking for looking for parentheses. Yeah, here's the parentheses. Let's print my name. Quotation. Salam. Salam Adeniyi. Let's go for another line. Print statement. No parentheses. Insert quotation. Looking for quotation at the top. Location. Quotation must be here. Okay. So let me write Joyce here. Joyce. It's capital letter J. Joyce. Joyce. Okay. Let me run this program. You see, I told you Python gets executed line by line from the top. You see, hello words. The next line is Salam Adeni. Next line is Joyce. You see, that's how Python gets executed. So let me show you another thing by adding another program to the next line. Sorry. Yeah. Let me show you something. Another program to the next line. Next line. Print. Anyway, we have a quotation. Quotation like this. We define a string. A string is a programming term which means a series of characters. The multiplication, this asterisk is a multiplication operator, just like the multiplication operator we have in mathematics. So with the piece of code, we can get $5 sign on our terminal. Let me show you. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is the 5 asterisk. That is the $5 sign in our terminal. So the piece of code we have here is called an expression. It's called an expression. An expression is a piece of code that produces a value. So when Python interpreter tries to execute line 4, first it will evaluate the code that we put in between parentheses. So after evaluate it, so it will run the program. So let me see you in the next tutorial. We are going to move to the variable. So see you.